And if you have tried it and you feel the same way I do, please let everybody know. This is fantastic, you guys. Hey beauties, it's Riri. I just received my Ipsy Ultimate. This is freaking heavy for the month of May. I did already receive my PR Ultimate box. If you want to go check out that video, I will link it for you guys. So we're gonna see the battle of the Ultimate. Is this box better or was my PR box better? I'll pop these right here, of course, and then we're gonna dive in. I also quickly, not that this maybe means a lot to other people or whatever, I like that they switched over, like a lot of brands have switched over to doing Amazon shipping. This is not about Amazon. If you don't like Amazon, don't shop there. But I feel like most of us, like even through conversations, just kind of seeing when people post their videos and stuff, we're getting our boxes and stuff so much quicker in the month. So I just want to say that, like, I appreciate being able to get the box a little bit sooner than we kind of were getting the box. It is packaged really beautifully with like foam and stuff like that. We have our little informative pamphlet and stuff like that as well. The Ultimate used to be more kind of curated based on a celebrity makeup artist, a celebrity, something like that. I don't think that they're doing that anymore. It's more so now kind of, I guess, what the editors are choosing or whatever the case may be. We do get pertinent details and stuff like that in here as well. All right, we're gonna dive in. Y'all already, I think this might be better than my PR box. I'm just saying. And if you are ever interested in signing up for Ipsy or any of their subscriptions, I do have my affiliated link to sign up in a pinned comment as well as in the description box. If you do sign up using my link, I do earn some commission. So thank you so much if you do sign up. Oh my gosh. First up is the Rare Beauty, the Find Comfort Bouncy Body Cream. Awaken Confidence. A whipped, bouncy body cream that instantly melts into the skin for nourishing hydration and a non-greasy glow. And as I said in my PR package unboxing, this is huge. This is massive. I have not used it yet, but I did just swap out the Corez body cream I was using, and this is now my nightstand. So I am going to be using this like moving forward, but I do just want to show you guys what it looks like. It is really, really stunning, you guys, like very aesthetically pleasing, and it's massive, and it smells great. I have not used it yet, but it smells great. All right. Next up, we have another, this is probably the same one I already have, I'll double check. This is the YSL Love Shine Candy Glaze, the Gloss Shine Lip Gloss Stick in Candy Glaze Healthy Glow Plumper number 2. Almost positive that's the one I already have. But these are incredible, as I said in my PR unboxing, which I ended up giving one of these away. Fantastic, like the packaging is beautiful and luxe and heavy. The actual formulation and stuff like that is quite hydrating and nourishing. It looks beautiful. It feels nice. So y'all already, I think this is better. Based on what I'm seeing, this is better than my PR even. Next up is the Bisha Beauty, the Essential Setting Powder, and it says Tokyo Translucent. And I'm not super big into setting powder. I have the few that I love and stand by, but I do like to see this. Like, we're kind of building a full-ish face in here, if you will. Next up, a product I have been using, and this is already promised to somebody in my resale group, but if I did not already tell her she could get this, I would not be selling it. I would be keeping it because I'm using this and it is phenomenal. Very thick, very dense, very rich. My skin feels incredible using this. Also smells yummy too. But it is the Corez, the Apothecary Wild Rose Night Brightening Sleeping Facial. Vitamin Super C, Brighten and Plump. They are not lying. I am 47 with incredibly dry textured skin, very sensitive, very reactive skin, and this is beautiful. If you've gotten this and you've not tested it yet, and you're like on the fence or whatever the case may be, please try it. And if you have tried it and you feel the same way I do, please let everybody know. This is fantastic, you guys. Next up, I've also been loving this and using this, and I don't like dual-sided brushes, so that should tell you something. This is the Ciel or Ciele, the dual-ended blush brush. I have mine right here that I've been using. This is a little bit more kind of tapered and almost duo fiber, like they're like little pieces kind of sticking out. And then this side right here is a little bit more firm. It's beautiful. It has really good weight and stuff like that to it. It feels really nicely made. Like this side's nice and dense, very soft. This side's a little bit more wispy, but very soft. Fantastic. Next up, we have a lipstick from NARS. If I could get it open without just popping the bubble wrap, although that's quite satisfying. All right, this is the NARS Explicit Lipstick in Unauthorized. I don't know if explicit is just because it's red. It doesn't really tell me like what the actual formulation is. Like, is this matte? Is it a silky, you know, smoothie, velvety type? Ooh, nice packaging. Also feels very luxe and very weighted. And it is a beautiful deep red, veering a little bit more kind of orangey in there, which are my favorite. Ooh, that's really stunning. I don't often wear red during like spring and summer months, so I don't know that I'm going to hold on to this. If this was October, November, I'd be wearing it in a heartbeat. And that's just personal preference. I'm more like goldies, bronzies, or I just do like glosses or treatments during the summertime. You can wear this whenever your beautiful little self wants to wear this, okay? Then next up, not one, but two things in cardboard, which we know already means Natasha Denona. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is what I got in my PR package. My Dream Cheek Trio palette, yes. So that is the outer packaging. I love her formula. I think this is really pretty. I like the actual component and the packaging and stuff. And I like the actual shade selection in here as well. And then we also got the My Dream eyeshadow palette. So we have our little duo here. So you can see that it's quite cohesive and stuff like that. I really liked this collection a lot. There's like some, substantiality here. It's nice and weighty and stuff. Oh no. Hopefully that's part of the artwork and it's not damaged. Oh, okay. I don't know what all that's from. How beautiful is this palette, you guys? Yeah, I am blown away. I am absolutely thrilled. I have no idea what all that is. I'm probably gonna have to clean that all off. I don't even know where it came from. So we got the Natasha Denona My Dream eyeshadow palette. We got the My Dream Cheek Trio. We got the beautiful Ciel or Ciele, the dual-ended blush brush. The Bisha, the Essential Setting Powder in Tokyo or Translucent. We got our beautiful YSL Love Shine in Candy Glaze. I love that. We got the NARS Explicit Lipstick in Unauthorized. We got our Corez, the Apothecary Wild Rose, the Night Brightening Sleeping Facial. Fantastic. And to round things out, we got the Rare Beauty Find Comfort Bouncy Body Cream. If you've tried any of this stuff, if you are loving some of these products, if you are testing this like I am, definitely comment down below. Let's have that conversation in the comments and stuff like that. You guys know that I try to respond to or at least heart every single comment. You guys are very important to me. Our connectivity is very important to me. So thank you, thank you, thank you to everybody that does take the time to come in and watch. Thank you for coming into my space. Thank you for allowing me into your space. Thank you for being so kind. Thank you for leaving all the amazing comments and stuff like that. It does not go unnoticed. I promise you guys that. Thank you for everything. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy. You can also hype my videos. You can turn on your notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.